children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and mother, which is the first commandment with a promise, so that it may go well with you, and that you may enjoy long life on the earth.
Thank you, Mama, for the French toast. Yamaisa mu lunchbox. Papa used to buy clothes for his family at the nice port. You opened up the right doors. Dinedzidzo mumusoro.
I can build a new tomorrow.
You opened up the right doors. Dinedzidzo mumusoro.
I can build a new tomorrow.
Mai vangu vaimuka chese tisati votsvaira mukitchen voisapotwa nevhati yekubika porridge voisiwa dovi pakati vozoisa floor polish mudzimba dzemukati. Used to hear my father start his car mugaraji vakatsvaka inshet fanetai nebhachi vachienda kunoshanda kumaindustry kwacho. He was never late for basa vaifamba newachi. Before his school term vaindigarisa pasi vorayira mwanangu enda unodzidza upase. Vese vari vaviri vonditambidza parcel. A grocery for boarding school admired your passion. You paved the way for us as a living example. You taught us how to love and how to even be humble. The city gets wild, it's like we live in a jungle. Asishumba vakanditi uri mambo musango.
Thank you, Mama, for the French toast. Yamaisa mu lunchbox. Papa used to buy clothes for his family at the nice port. You opened up the right doors. Dinedzidzo mumusoro.
I can build a new tomorrow.
You opened up the right doors. Dinedzidzo mumusoro.
I can build a new tomorrow.
Asishumba vakanditi
Uri mambo musango.
stepping in his shoes but dzakurisa shangu. Your crown haina uori kunge zino rine mango. Your vibe haina drama kunge film remuvango. The relish of your gift haina beef kunge gango. The fruits of your labor atochuka semango. Your legacy unbreakable mukombe wekango. Mai vangu vaindirukira
Juzi yechando.
vaindidzidzisa zvesharing kuti changu ndechako. Wawana chawavhima asi idya nevako. Wako wachawarima usadyira mubako. Chawaita murima chichabuda the gospel. Chavanongosuwira kuti ndite muchato. Nemukadzi ane tsika ane njere runako. Vorayira panzira hanzi isu tabako. Sazvionere pamino kunge piece yetobacco.
Thank you, Mama, for the French toast. Yamaisa mu lunchbox. Papa used to buy clothes for his family at the nice port. You opened up the right doors. Dinedzidzo mumusoro.
I can build a new tomorrow.
You opened up the right doors. Dinedzidzo mumusoro.
I can build a new tomorrow.